How to see your subscribers on YouTube Mobile. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily find your subscribers on YouTube Mobile. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open YouTube application. So if you want to actually check your subscribers or check the name of your subscribers, then in that case you won't be able to do it with your YouTube application because YouTube has not given us any option to view our subscribers. So as you can see, I only am able to see recent views, not even the subscriber. Even though I don't have many subscribers, I'll just show you guys how you can view the name of your subscribers. So first thing you do is open up Google Chrome, and then here you can just go to youtube.com. Just go ahead and search for YouTube. Once you search for it, make sure that it opens up in your browser. And then you're going to have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then turn on the desktop site. Once your desktop site is open, you'll be able to access your YouTube Studio from your browser. So let me just go ahead and quickly zoom in at the top right and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you head over to YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, make sure that your channel is logged in. You should be able to go to the Analytics tab at the top on your dashboard, and right below there you'll have Channel Analytics with your current subscriber, and right below here on this blank space right here you should be able to see your recent subscribers. Since I don't have any recent subscribers, it's not showing me, but you should be able to see yours. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you find the recent subscribers on your YouTube. So it would show their name along with the date they have subscribed to your channel. And that's basically it. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.